Hello, remote family. Happy Thursday. I am Jeff from Remote Agent, and I hope you guys are doing good. So, I'm back with another work from home job for you guys, and today I have two no phone jobs which doesn't require any degree, any experience. So, let's get into the job details. So, the first opening which I have is with this company SEDG LLC, and they are looking for data entry representative, and this is a 100% work from home. So here are the job requirements. You will be inserting customer and account data by inputting text-based and numerical information from source documents within time limits. You will compile, verify accuracy, and sort information according to priorities to prepare source data for computer entry. You will also review data for deficiencies or errors and correct any incompatibilities if possible and check output. You will research and obtain further information for incomplete documents. You will apply data program techniques and procedures. You will generate reports, store completed work in designated locations, and perform backup operations. You will scan documents and print files when needed. You will keep information confidential and respond to queries for information and access relevant files. You will comply with data integrity and security policies, and you will also ensure proper use of office equipment and address any malfunctions. Apart from this, the job skills which are required are a proven data entry work experience as a data entry operator or office clerk, an experience with MS Office, familiarity with administrative duties, experience using office equipment like fax machine and scanner, typing speed and accuracy is required, excellent knowledge of correct spelling, grammar, and punctuation, attention to detail, confidentiality, organizational skills with an ability to stay focused on assigned tasks, and a high school diploma. So this is a full-time role, an entry level, and 100% remote. So if you're interested on this, then please go ahead and apply for the same. You will find the apply link below in the description. However, they haven't mentioned the salary which they will be offering for the job role. But as I checked last door, and I found that the salary for data entry representative is $37,000 per annum. So let's move on to the second job details. So the second opening which I have is with this company, St. Francis Ministries, and they are also looking for data entry clerk. So let's get into the job requirements. So the data entry clerk is responsible for data entry and report functions, enters referral and placement information into CMS database, enters and retrieves data from the CMS database, process requests for respite services for foster care homes, demonstrate computer skills including knowledge of spreadsheets, databases, and word processing, prepares daily mailing to resource homes, gathers data for performance improvement reports, and enters provider information in DEPS fax database, prepares report as needed in the CMS database, process authorization, daycare requests, enters client collateral information into CMS, and ensures clients' rights are protected, is knowledgeable, and follows all safety procedures. So here are the required skills and knowledge for the job role. A mandatory reporter, demonstrative effective written and verbal communication, and a typing speed of 40 words per minute, organizational, telephone, and clerical skills. Computer skills are required, and works alone effectively, and must be a team player, and must be detail oriented. So for the job role, they haven't mentioned the salary, but the salary for this kind of job role for this company for St. Francis, they are offering around $35,000 per annum. So both these jobs are 100% work from home, which doesn't require any degree. So if you're interested in these job roles, then please go ahead and apply for the same. I will share the link below in the description. So thank you so much for watching and you have a wonderful day.